Hello children, welcome to ArtZone. We observe many beautiful things in nature. To study nature drawing, start observing small natural objects like fruits, vegetables, flowers and trees. Their shapes, size, structure, colors. The study comes under nature drawing. This drawing subject is useful for 10th standard SSC board and NIOS 10th standard and 12th standard board. By this study, you explore different types of shapes of trees. This study comes under nature drawing. As periwinkle has 5 petals, observe and learn to draw them. Now let's see how to draw a flower. So we will learn to draw periwinkle flower today. To study any flower, we need to sketch it in different angle and understand its structure. Once you understand the structure of the flower, properly study its joints and leaves and the details on the leaves. Draw the flower with stem and leaves with a very light hand. Observe the color application and now color it. Let's color the leaves now. If you like this drawing, like, share and subscribe this channel. Apply the same technique in coloring the other leaves. sketching different type of flowers and their angles to study more nature drawings. Thank you for watching.